How are things going for everyone? Bitcoin is going down right now. Bitcoin just dropped to 68,400. I know that some of the original users will think this isn't a big deal, but a lot of new users are saying, hey, we're just at 72,000. Why did we drop $4,000 to $3,000 in just a few minutes? I need to explain what's going on. Tell me what I think about the market right now. Take a look at this and let us know what you think. If you agree, please click subscribe and bell notification. Listed below the video so you can see more movies just like this one. You can also use the link to Margex that's below the video if you want to trade crypto. It only takes a second to get set up and trade coins quickly. They're also giving away a big book of memes right now as an airdrop. You get more book of meme tokens up to $5,000 worth if you sell more on the platform, okay? So please check this out. Now is the right time to do this. Roaring Kitty just finished his live show. At its busiest, between 650,000 and 700,000 people were watching. Really cover at the same time I did a live stream, and at the end of it, I talked about what Roaring Kitty did, what he talked about, why the market saw this as a bad sign, and what I think GameStop should do next, which is to buy a lot of Bitcoin since they just raised $3 billion or said they would raise it now. Did that make the market fall? Who knows? This could cause a little instability. Some people might think that we're going to enter more degenerate times. That is, we could soon see something crazy happen with GA that will take us back to 2020 or 2021. The stock market is crazy, but GME went down both before and after the live stream. However, I don't think that's the main thing that's bringing down the market right now. I think what's really going on is liquidations. In the last hour, $255 million worth of longs were liquidated. Okay, this makes the market go down, and I've been making movies about Bitcoin market manipulation for the past day. Does it look like the ETFs are trying to keep the price low? A lot of that is still true, in my opinion. When $250 million worth of longs are sold, on the other hand, the price drops pretty quickly. The price could also be pushed down by ETFs at the same time. For the price to go down so that they can buy more, or so there's more liquidity, maybe something is going on in the background. If we look at CoinMarketCap, it's not just Bitcoin either. Let's take a look. The market is down all around. We have a theory that is down 4.6% and a BNB that is down about 5%. Right now, Solana is down 8%. The general market is just the general stock market. That is also down today. At the time this was recorded, the Nasdaq had gone from being up to being down about 4%. The general stock market is also going down a little. This could be because of some news from Citibank as well. They have a baby coming. I'll scroll down to find it. Oh, I guess I didn't really like it. But they also said that they thought rate cuts would be pushed back a little while. This meant that they thought rate cuts would happen in July. In September, they expect them. Remember, I still think the market is fundamentally strong. It's true that long-term debt worth $282 million will make the market crash, but think about what's happened in the last few days and months. Goes through it here. Huge flows: 105 million, 887 million, 488 million, and then 218 million in the last 4 days. A huge number of purchases from ETFs. Bitstamp is being bought by Robinhood. I believe it is for a very good price. But this only shows that more money is coming into crypto and businesses that deal with crypto. We have rates going down for the first time in over 4 years at the ECB and the Bank of Canada. Binance is also bringing back MasterCard payments for crypto. We also have, just in case you look past this week, the ETH ETF is going to be accepted. When was that? It's been a year since the last government change. We had round 2 of Operation Choke Point. A lot of leaders are now speaking out in support of crypto, and celebrities are putting out meme coins to get more people interested in crypto. Some people don't like it though because they think it's just a way to make money. But the new meme coins and famous coins do get people interested in crypto. A lot of people say that you should sell in May and leave, but we had a good May. In general, this is one of the best times for the markets. It will be interesting. It will be interesting to see what goes on. However, I believe that Bitcoin is set up very well. We have been turned down. I've been saying for a few days now, I want us to go above this line of trend. Now let's scroll down. I really want us to break through this trend line up top to all-time highs. But just because we've been turned down 4 times, the more times we hit this, the weaker it gets. Right now we're down to 69,000. I'm not scared. So either we hit new all-time highs or we stay where we are for a longer time. Either you're worth more, we stay stable for longer, Bitcoin gets stronger, or there's a third choice. If we fail, you'll get Bitcoin for less money. Okay, win-win-win. I don't think this will last long. If someone put a gun to my head and asked me, where do you think Bitcoin is going to go in the next week, I would give you my honest opinion. I think we'll take this dip in stride. I think it's just some funny stuff being sold off. That's going on behind the scenes. But there's already a lot of buying going on. How do the ETFs buy more? That's right, they buy when people sell. They buy a lot of Bitcoin when people are ready to sell. If no one is willing to sell, they raise the price too much. That means they probably bought a lot before the market closed today. They're likely buying a lot of things. Feel free to share your thoughts on that. We'll know in a few hours. I'll also talk about it, and now it's time to move on. I'd like to bring up one thing. This coin is a joke, dangerous. I hold on to it, even though I bought some FJB, the joke coin, on Solana. FJB is going to go multi-chain once their market cap hits $10 million. This is the first of many promises they will make. Our minds are always on the future, and we know that this will set us up for success. They then send their message. There is a link to this movie below. Some people get very angry when you talk about politics, but most people, even those who vote for Joe Biden, don't like him. Since most of them don't like him, I think this is an idea that we can all really get behind, since it applies to so many people. They dislike Joe Biden. If you still want to buy this joke coin, it's over with Solana. You can buy it on Jupiter, so be sure to check it out. As I already said, I do have a stake in it if you're interested. Maybe not all of my work is on it. Not half of my work is that. It's a joke coin, so I put it in the right place. But please tell me what you think about all of this below the film. Tell me, what do you think about Bitcoin going down? Thanks for watching.